Hey guys, latest news with Crypto Marie local and international. Fani Willis let the prosecutor know I am not on trial here, okay? And she has this sassy thing about her. This woman let them have it. Tensions reached a boil point on Thursday after Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis took the stand in an evidentiary hearing probing the extent of her personal relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. The hearing marks a critical moment for the Georgia election interference case against former President Donald Trump that could drastically change the course of the proceeding. The stakes of the misconduct case were on full display after Willis' impassioned outbursts on the stand while defense attorney Ashley Merchant questioned her. "You think I'm on trial," Willis told Merchant, who is representing Michael Woman, a co-defendant facing criminal charges and the interference case led by Willis. "I am not on trial, no matter how hard you try to put me on trial." That's what she said. Willis hired Wade in 2021 to work on the racketeering case against Trump and more than a dozen of his allies who are accused of trying to overturn Georgia's 2020 presidential election results. Woman, through his attorney, alleged in a motion that Wade misused taxpayers' money that he was paid while on the case to fund vacations around the world for himself and Willis. The hearing was called to determine if the allegations of misuse of public funds are indeed true and if Willis could face criminal or other penalties. Also at stakes is Willis' assignment on the case. If the judge rules in favor of Woman's motion, Willis will be disqualified, which would potentially jeopardize the entire case. And that's what they're looking for, yeah. They don't want her to be there. She knows too much. She can do too much damage. So they're trying to kick her out of the case. Willis admitted earlier this month that she and Wade had a romantic relationship, but firmly denied any wrongdoing, calling the allegation listed in Woman's motion complete conjecture. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McCarthy, who is overseeing the election subversion case, will have to decide whether Willis and Wade financially benefited from the case. The hearing became tense as soon as Willis took the stand. "Did you hear anything of the arguments?" Merchant asked Willis. "I did hear the arguments this morning," Willis said. "It's ridiculous that you lied on Monday, and yet here we still are, and I did listen to the argument." They say she graduated from HBC, is it Harvard? And she has that sassy in her. Like, "I'm a highly educated black woman. Like, come to me. I'm going to let you have it." I like that. I like to see a woman in power, has some common sense. But at the same time, I have to say, she talks too much. You need to know when to stop. The question is yes or no. That's it. Nobody asked you for a whole story. You need to know when to stop. While Merchant drilled Willis about the shared costs associated with her trips with Wade, Willis was adamant about addressing allegations about the relationship in legal documents in court. "While we are talking about professionalisms, Merchant filed 3 different documents that he lived with me," Fani yelled while waving documents. "Let's be clear, because you lied." Willis yelled, "It is a lie. It's a lie." Guys, this is a novela, soap opera. High educated people with the law, working for government office. Oh God, it is crazy. It's funny. I watched some of it and it was really funny. Some key takeaway from the hearing's first day on Thursday include witness testimony from a former friend of Willis as well as Wade's testimony. The witness, Robin Yachty, who said she was Willis' one-time friend before they fell out, testified that the relationship between Willis and Wade started before Wade was hired for the case. She said she saw them kissing and engaging romantically as early as November 2019. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Listen, doesn't matter. These two people are grown adults. They do whatever hell they feel like doing. I don't think all this should have been brought into stand. But again, like I said, it's a soap opera and I'm enjoying every second of it. Subscribe. Bye. Thank you.